Hi, my name is Alex, and today I'm going to show you how to do work rate problems. So here's our problem. Bob and Kevin set out to build a house. Bob, working alone, can do it in 5 days, while Kevin can do it in 8. How long will it take them to build it together? So, we know that Bob can build a house in 5 days. Kevin can build it in 8. And we are trying to figure out X, which equals the time it takes for them to build it together. So we have to make an equation from all this data, and so our equation is going to need to be in a fraction, and it's going to be 1/5 x plus 1/8 x equals 1/x. And this equation will tell us how long it will take them to build the house working together. So the first step is we have to find some number that we can multiply 1/5 and 1/8 to make them both whole numbers. So let's think. We could try 5, and that'll give us 1x 5 plus 5/8 x, but that won't work because 5/8 is still a fraction. So we're going to need to try something higher, and 8/5 isn't a whole number. So let's think for a minute. It's going to have to be something that 5 and 8 both divide into, which just happens to be 40. So let's see what happens when we multiply this by 40. We get 40/5 x plus 40/8 x equals 40. Now, when we multiply it by 40, we want to cancel out the 1x too. So let's multiply this by 40x. There shouldn't be x's here. It should be 1/5 plus 1/8. So multiply by 40x, and we get this and 40 because it cancels out with the x here. So we rewrite our equation. 40/5 x plus 40/8 x equals 40. And now we simplify it. 40/5 equals 8 x. 40/8 equals 5x. So 8x plus 5x equals 40, which gives us 13x equals 40. Divide 40 by 13. 13 times 3, 9, 39. 3, 39. Remainder of 1. Use 10. 13 doesn't go into 10, so we add another one to get 100. 8. Let's see. 13 times 7. 70, 91. 1, 2, 7. Yeah, 91. So let's try that. 7, 91 equals 9, 90. So let's move to another sheet of paper. Let's just work on this one. 13 times 6 is 18. 6 times 1, 7. 78. So we have 307, 6, 78. So we have 2 left. So we need 20. Let's see, that's 1, 13. Leaves the remainder of 7. Let's try 6, 5. 13 times 5. 515, 5 times 1, 5, 6, 65. 65 goes into 70. It gives us a remainder of 50. 13 times, which gives us a remainder. So 13 times 4, 12. 12, so 2, 1, 5, 52. And it just goes on and on and on. But we're going to simplify this, and basically, if we use our equation before, we know it will take them 3 days, 3.07615, etc., etc., etc. days. But if we round it out, then it'll take roughly 3 days for Bob and Kevin to complete the house.